Hi, I'm with Vamp's customer success team, and I will show you how easy it is to create your first interview guide and start collecting responses. When you register or log in, you'll be taken to the Guides page, where you can create a new guide by clicking on the button in the upper right-hand corner. First, give the guide a unique name. Next, select the tone you would like Vamp AI to take when conducting the interview. Your options are academic, casual, and professional. If there are special instructions or terms you would like participants to agree to before starting the interview, you may insert those here. Vamp provides several demographic options that will be asked after the interview is complete. You may select as many as you like. For this interview, I'll collect age and income. The Limit section allows you to decide when interviews will be conducted and how many interviews you want to collect for this guide. This allows you to spread your monthly allotment over multiple guides without needing to worry about going over. We'll limit this guide to 20 interviews. Since I want to start collecting interviews right away, I'll leave the start date blank, but I'll add an end date. Now you may select a prompt template from the drop-down field. You can also quickly filter the list by entering a search query. Of course, if you want to create your own prompt, you can select No Template, but for this demonstration, I'm going to use the Product Feedback template. Now click Next to build out the structure of your guide. You can quickly fill in template placeholders in the fields above the prompt. Once you have filled in all the placeholders, you may edit the prompt to your liking. This is where you can tell Vamp the topics to cover, the kinds of questions you would like it to ask, and provide any background information it may need to conduct the interview. I'm going to stick with the default template for now. Remember, you can always edit this later and create a new version of the guide. Next, select the approximate number of questions you would like asked during the interview. This option allows you to control the duration of the interview. Finally, you may provide any static questions you would like asked before Vamp AI takes over. These questions will be asked verbatim, as written. However, the AI will be aware of these questions and take them into account when continuing the interview. We're just going to ask how long the respondent has been using Peach earbuds. Once you hit Publish, you'll be taken to the guide detail page, where we can see that this is version 1 of the guide. It's active, which means it's currently accepting responses, and 0 of 20 interviews have been completed. You can get your first response by sharing the public link with your audience. You may copy the URL by clicking the link icon in the upper right-hand corner of the guide detail page. Now I'll show you the chat interface by pasting the URL into a new browser window. First, the respondent will be asked to verify they are human. Then they'll be asked to agree to the site terms and the terms you provided when creating the guide. After those items are out of the way, the interview will begin. Once the interview is complete, the demographic questions will be asked. Respondents can click the buttons on the chat message or type a response. And that's it. Now we'll review the response in our guide detail page. As you can see, the interview response is listed below and includes the date, duration of the interview, and the guide version number, along with the respondent demographics. You can review the interview in-app, copy the text, or export it in your preferred format. Most importantly, you can get a synopsis of the interview and all responses in the Vamp summary. The summary will update whenever a new response is added, so you always have the most current picture of the data. That's how easy it is to start conducting interviews with Vamp and get actionable customer intelligence to grow your business. Thanks for watching and have a great day.